Ever asked an AI a question, gotten an incredibly confident answer, and then realized it was completely wrong? Standard AI models have a fixed memory. They only know the world as it existed on the exact day their creators finished training them. If a major event happened yesterday, they have no idea. They also don't have access to your personal files, your company's internal records, or anything secured behind a private login screen. Because these systems are designed to give you an answer no matter what, they often make things up when they run into a gap in their knowledge. This is known as hallucinating. Relying on a memory that is frozen in time makes a standard AI unreliable for solving real-world problems that change every day. Think of it like a student who has read almost every book on the internet, but is now sitting for a strict closed-book exam. If you ask that student about this morning's headlines or a new policy your office just announced, they simply won't have the answer. The closed-book system forces the AI to guess. It pulls from a fading memory of the past, instead of looking at the facts in front of it. The AI isn't lacking intelligence, but it is trapped in a system that sets it up for failure. Now picture a second student sitting down for the exact same test. This time, they're taking an open book exam. Right next to their desk is a perfectly organized library filled with the most up-to-date information available. This open book approach is a specific technique called RAG, short for Retrieval Augmented Generation. When you provide an AI with its own reference library, it can verify the truth before it speaks. But how do you take a mess of PDFs, spreadsheets, and internal websites and turn them into a library the AI can actually use? We start by slicing long documents into bite-sized chunks for the system to handle. We then convert every chunk into a mathematical map of its meaning, stored in a vector database, allowing searches based on ideas. This preparation turns a mountain of chaotic corporate files into a precise, searchable reference for the AI. Now, let's look at the 3 steps the system takes to find an answer. First is retrieval. When you ask a question, the system scans the database to find the specific chunks of text that match the meaning of your request. Next is augmented. The system staples your original question and those fresh facts together into a single instruction. Finally, generation. The AI reads this and writes a customized response based only on that given evidence. This 3-step process makes the AI an expert researcher that compiles verified reports rather than just predicting the next likely word. For companies, this is a massive win. They can update their AI's knowledge instantly by adding a single file to the library, rather than spending millions of dollars to rebuild the entire model from scratch. It also provides a new layer of privacy. The AI only sees the specific snippets it needs to answer one question at a time, keeping the rest of the sensitive database secure and hidden. By avoiding the massive price tag of constant retraining, businesses can finally afford to build tools that stay current and protect their private data. You can see this in action with modern customer support bots. Instead of a generic reply, they can instantly look up your specific flight delay and your personal ticket number to give you a real answer. Or consider a medical app that can securely read your personal lab results and provide a summary written specifically for you. Whenever you encounter an AI that is aware of your specific context and provides factual, up-to-date assistance, you're seeing RAG in action. Retrieval Augmented Generation provides the evidence an AI needs to be useful in the real world. It provides the vital difference between a system that just guesses and a tool you can actually trust.